The warning headlight leveling malfunction in your Vauxhall or Opel vehicle is connected to the intelligent lighting system and beam angle control. The system uses electric actuators in the headlight and receives signals from the control modules mounted in each headlight to control the beam, and it's also used for auto high beam. So when you are getting this message, the auto high beam won't work, the beam adjustment won't work, and the headlights may be set into the get me home position, which is too low to see the road properly. Anyway, the problem is usually intermittent and will be gone after you turn the vehicle off and then on again. There are two most likely culprits for this issue. The first one is the headlight control module. Each headlight unit has a dedicated computer that may fail, especially in winter when there is a high risk of condensation forming on the surfaces due to temperature fluctuations. If the module fails, the solution is unfortunately just to replace the headlight, which is not going to be cheap. So a lot of owners choose to drive like this till it gets unbearable and the warning stays on all the time. The second culprit is the camera unit that's located in the upper part of the windshield. This camera assembly has a sensor that detects oncoming traffic and turns the high beam off when needed. In some cases, the warning will pop up when the windshield is completely fogged or dirty, but in a lot of cases there are connection problems in the camera unit that may be fixed in the dealership, and this culprit should be checked prior to replacing the headlight since it's much cheaper to fix.